All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the March 25th, 2025 iteration of the Kubernetes SIG-Windows community meetings. As always, these meetings are recorded and uploaded to YouTube, so be sure to adhere to the CNCF Code of Conduct. Let's get started with some announcements. First announcement is we're in code freeze. Code freeze started at the end of, or last week. I think they're still taking in exceptions or waiting for pull requests that had exceptions for enhancements to be merged in. So there still might be, we still might see some breaking changes go in. Usually it's around enhancements that are getting promoted from alpha to beta that cause some issues because that's when things go on by default. So we'll just need to keep an eye out for that. And another announcement is next week is going to be KubeCon. We usually cancel the community meetings because a lot of folks are at KubeCon. It's in London this time, so I don't know how many US-based folks are going to be attending, but we'll probably cancel anyway. I think that's all of the announcements I had. Oh, one more. Today is where all of the docs placeholders for enhancements, those pull requests need to be ready for review. I've got two open for the two enhancements that we're progressing, the WinDSR to beta and also the withdrawal of the host network support. I think you took a look at them, James. I know Tim Bannister has been commenting too. I'll try and drop a link to those here in case anybody else wants to take a review. But I think we're in good shape for that as well. Yeah. Okay, next, I think we'll give some space if there's any new contributors that want to introduce themselves, but I don't see anybody new on the call. I'll pause for a minute though. Anyway. Yep. Okay, I guess we can go into it. James, do you want to take over, or do you want me to share the screen? We can talk about this.
Yeah, you can share the screen. I don't know if there's much to talk about. We've kind
Yep.
of discussed it a little bit already, but I last Friday as code freeze came in, one of the tests failed. Some of the EDE tests on Windows didn't get run. Essentially, they put a skip in the Ginkgo EDE binary, and the skip throws an exception. It has to be done in a leaf node in Ginkgo's terms, which is either like a Ginkgo it or a Ginkgo before or after. And so someone opened up a PR to fix it pretty quickly. The other one is the one that was opened.
Okay.
We weren't getting a whole lot of traction, and we asked for some updates and things, and it's been I don't know, 5 or 6 days now, and so I just opened up another one. It's a pretty small, simple change, and got the test passing. So that one's ready to merge. This one still needs to go. So
Oops. Yeah. I think we were just talking at the triage meeting, and if we don't hear back from anybody on James's pull request by like noonish, I think we'll try and ping Dims or somebody else who has more widespread approval or like merging. Yuju might or Sergey might too, but I think we'll just ping a few more folks in a little bit. It's a super simple change. We're just moving the ED skip for some of the security context tests in to leaf node like James said. Yep. Okay. I think that's everything we had on the agenda. It's kind of a short meeting. I know we're done with code freeze, so a lot of the like I think a lot of the discussion items are probably going to get queued up for when the next release starts. But does anybody have anything else they want to discuss here? If not, you can cancel and give everybody some time back. James, you got your hand raised?
yeah, I just want to know. So 129, we put in some patches for that just to get that CI back up and running a couple weeks ago or a month ago. can we bring it down now? Did they release patches?
Let me double check. I thought that
I'm pretty sure it's end of life, but I know that SIG release said they were going to do one more patch. I wasn't sure if they.
I don't let's follow up. Okay, and it says that this is out of yeah, it says that it's out of support. Usually they keep it open for 1 to 2 extra months in case there's any CVEs coming in, but I think that is it. I think what we should
Yeah,
probably do is open up a pull request to remove those and just ping some of the release folks like maybe Jeremy Rickard and just confirm or say like, should we hold on this? Is there going to be more patches coming or not? And then not do that. But yeah, it does look like it's out of support. And then the 130's got potentially a couple more releases if there's any CVEs.
sounds good.
Okay. I guess we'll stop the recording then, give everybody some time back. And yeah.
Thanks all.
Yep. Bye. Where
Bye,
is
folks.
my Zoom controls are going? There we go.